What's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you top AI crypto projects for 2024. This is actually part 2 video. I already made part 1. I'm going to leave link in the description below where I talk about another AI projects that I think have a huge potential that can do up to maybe 100x, maybe even more. But before I show you the project, I just have to state something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into anything. So the first project, it's called Oraichain, and Oraichain is the first blockchain Oracle powered AI. They offer a wide range of AI services, AI marketplace, NFT creation, and etc. Also provides trustworthy proof of AI, which will be essential in the near future of AI. And this is their Twitter account. They have a website, and let's take a look at their token. So each token costs almost $8 at the time of recording this video, but circulation supply is very small, only 15 million. And max supply is almost 20 million. So I think this project has a huge potential. And then if we scroll down over here, you can see all times low was 90 cents and all times high $105. So this project, if it's gonna get to that same level, can do very, very well. And then project number 2, it's called PalAI, and it's a chatbot utilizing AI and machine learning to handle tasks like understanding natural language and image recognition. Users engage with PalAI to earn tokens, either through direct interaction, making referrals, or contributing to community. Here is their actual contract address and then link tree. You can find everything about this project here. And then if we look at their tokens, you can see each token costs 15 cents, circulation supply 650 million. And then if we scroll down, at all times low, this project was very, very cheap, and all times high was actually a month ago, 21 cents. But I still think this project has a lot of room to grow, especially with all the hype that behind AI projects. And then project number 3, it's called Verasity. And Verasity is creating ecosystem to combat advertising fraud, leveraging AI blockchain. Verasity is developing VeraViews, VeraWallet, VeraPay for payments, and patent rewarded video module to enrich the attention economy. They have a Telegram, they have a website, and a lot more you can find on their website. Huge community, a lot of followers on their Twitter. And let's take a look at their Vera token. So Verasity token, each token almost a little over half a penny, but their circulation supply is 10 billion. So it's a lot, but still I think this project has a lot of room to grow. As you can see, all times low was fraction of a penny, and from all times low it's only 213% up, and then all times high was 8 cents. I think this project has a lot of room to grow and has a huge potential. And then project number 4, it's called ChainGPT. ChainGPT is focusing on creating AI-driven solution for Web3, blockchain, and crypto project. They're actively developing product across 13 distinct categories and received grant from major tech companies such as Google, Nvidia, and BNB Chain. Huge project already. They have a Telegram website and a lot of followers on their Twitter. And let's take a look at their tokens. Tokens, 17 cents per token. Circulation supply is 363 millions. And from all times low, it was 3 cents, and all times high, almost 30 cents. With everything what they're developing, I think this project will do very well in a bull run. And then project number 5, it's called VaultTech. And VaultTech offers AI-powered Telegram escrow bot for services like trading, listing, and software development. The platform stands out with gamified reward for top sellers and ensures quality by thoroughly vetting all sellers. So this is their contract address and link tree. You can find everything about this project, and they are a very early company. They don't have that many followers on their Twitter, but it's just a matter of time, and it will be a very hype project. And they also have OTC trades as well. And then if we look at their tokens, as you can see at the time of recording, 18 cents a token and 100 million circulation supply. So circulation supply is actually pretty low. All times low was 3 cents and all times high 22 cents. So I think this project has a lot of room to grow and a lot of potential because it haven't even been an actual bull run. It's a new project on the block. And then project number 6, it's called Mozaic, and Mozaic, it's a project that simplifies yield farming across multiple blockchain networks. With its AI-driven system, it stands out by enabling users to take advantage of complex yield and strategies simply and effectively. Also, one of the newer projects, they have a link tree and they have a Discord. And if we look at their tokenomics, 15 cents at the time of recording this video, and circulation supply is 69 millions. So it's not that big, but I think it's locked. It's an Arbitrum ecosystem though, you gotta keep that in mind. And at the all times low, this project was fraction of a penny, and all times high 17 cents. So I think this project's still at very early stage, and it's gonna get a lot of momentum during the run. And then the last project on my list, it's called aiRight or AI NFT. And aiRight is a platform for making and managing and checking the ethnicity of NFTs. It's allowed users to create AI-generated NFTs, secure copyrights and trades unique art with integrated royalty system. Also, very new project, has only 13,000 followers on their Twitter. They also have a website, and they also offer free minting AI NFT on chain. And let's take a look at their tokens. So each token, fraction of a penny, and circulation supply is almost a billion. So if we scroll down at the all times low, this was 0.0005, and all times high was almost 3 cents. Again, this project, once it's gonna get to the bull run, since Meta is AI and gaming, this project is gonna do very well. And this is pretty much it. This is all AI projects I'm keeping my eye on for 2024, and I believe they have a huge potential. Good luck to everybody, and thanks for watching.